recording. Inshallah, today we are going to take some of this revision worksheet, starting with Anas. Anas, please open your mic and start answering the first question. Hello, Anas. Alaikum salam. Please try to read and answer, please.
Okay. Air makes 6 star-shaped cookies out of dough. He puts all of the cookies on a balance and measures the total mass as 36 grams. He then pushes the cookies into one big bowl and measures the mass. What is the mass of the entire bowl?
Do you understand the question?
Okay, I don't actually understand it.
Okay. Ari, someone has 6 stars shaped cookies. Dough. Okay. It is six. Each one, he put it in the balance to measure the mass. So he found the mass. He puts all the cookies on a balance and measured the total mass. It was 36 grams. 36 grams. He then put them all in one big shape. He then washes the cookies into a big bowl and measure the mass of them all together. What the mass of them all together?
Mm.
He measured them before. He puts all of them.
It's
Huh?
46.
36, of course. Yeah, 36 is the same mass. The same mass, 36 grams. Because if you measure them all, if you put them all in one place, they will have the same mass. Okay, awesome. Inshallah, we'll have this hard copy when we go to the school. Awesome. Or I can share the soft copy by class here also. Awesome, please.
Yeah. Okay. I actually placed a notebook and sugar cubes on a scale.
As you see.
Which of these describe the mass of the notebook and the sugar cubes?
Read, please. Read them.
Okay. The notebook and the sugar cubes have no mass. The notebook has less than the sugar cubes. The notebook and the sugar cubes have the same mass. The notebook has a greater mass than the sugar cubes. D.
The notebook has a greater mass than the sugar cubes.
Yeah.
Look at the scale here.
Oh, okay.
It's even.
Then B. Then
It is even. So you can understand from the shape of the scale what happens.
the C.
The which is the notebook and the sugar cubes have the same mass. Why they have the same mass? From the shape I can see the two bands are even. That means two bands have the same mass. Okay, the answer would be C. Thank you, Awesome. Awesome. Azam. Read.
Emma is studying the physical properties of a rock. She puts water in a cylinder and then puts the rock into a cylinder. Which property is Emma measuring? Mass, texture, volume, or temperature?
We put a rock in a graduated cylinder. We use this graduated cylinder in measuring what? In measuring the mass or texture or volume or temperature?
Volume.
Volume, of course, volume. Yes, it's volume because we measure the millis, and millis is the measuring unit of the volume. Example, it's 40 milli or 45 milli. That measures the volume. Thank you, Azza. Omar, next question, Omar, please.
These three pictures show the particles in a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Which
Yes.
which number is correctly paired with the state of matter? One is gas.
Yes, you are right, but please look at the pictures before you answer. As you see, one, you said one is what?
Gas.
The second one, too, is what?
Solid.
And the third one is
Liquid.
excellent, Omar. But he need you to choose which number is correctly paired with the, which one is correct from this. One is a liquid, is it correct?
No.
No. Two is a solid, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, so choose two. So, and continue reading, maybe you make mistake. See, two liquid, yes or no?
Two liquid. No.
No. Three is gas?
No.
No, yes, that's our correct answer. Excellent, Mr. Omar. Thank you. Tariq, question 5.
Water change as it evaporates.
In which way does water change as it evaporates? Read all of them, please.
Its mass and volume increases, its mass and volume decreases, its mass increases, its volume remains unchanged, its mass remains unchanged, its volume increases.
So water change when it's evaporate, right? Water change when it evaporates, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How it change when it's evaporate? How it change? He said its mass and volume increase. Do you think mass could be increase or decrease, Mr. Tariq?
No,
No,
it
no,
can't.
no. So any answer that contains mass increase or decrease when evaporation happens, it is incorrect. It's false. Okay. So here the first one, do you think it's correct? Mass increases?
No, the
No.
answer is
Second one, mass decreases?
no.
No. Mass increase?
Uh,
Huh?
no.
No, of course not. Because mass doesn't increase or decrease because as we studied yesterday,
Yes, Mr.
mass is conserved. What's the correct answer? D.
D.
The mass remain unchanged, so the mass never change, stay the same, but volume increases because it changes from water liquid into water gas. And the gas, as we know, expand in volume, not expand in mass. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
no problem.
Muhammad Ahmed.
Yes.
يلا محمد.
Which statement describe the shape of a solid?
Statement describe the shape of a solid. Describe the shape of a solid. What about the solid? Has different shape or different volume, or has a different shape and a different volume, or different shape and a different volume. Solid. What about solid, Mister?
Solid have mixed fixed
Again, fixed. أيوة.
mixed
Mix or fix?
fixed
Fixed shape or volume?
fixed both.
Both. Excellent. طب read the answers and choose the correct one, please.
It has its own shape. Does not have a shape. It takes the shape of its content. Change.
shape with temperature.
So it has its own shape. It doesn't have shape. It takes the shape of its container. It changes shape with temperature. Which one
That's
is it?
its own
Excellent.
its own shape.
Excellent. It has its own shape, so it doesn't change its shape and also volume because it is a solid. Thank you, sir. Okay, choose the answer. Going to question number 7. Time.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Marco breakfast is shown in the picture. Did the mixing cereal with milk make a new substance? Yes, because the color of the milk changed. Yes, because the sugar dissolved in cereal got wet. No, because mixture substance cannot make new substance. No, because cereal can be separated from milk and change back to substance.
Why are you reading
D.
fast, mister? Why are you reading fast? It's okay, take your time.
D.
I didn't understand the question. Could you please explain?
In the cereal and milk
Oh,
that Marco created.
Marco, do
Will
what?
it have a new substance? Yes or no?
Mixing cereal with milk make a new substance. I
Yes.
don't know. Explain it to me, please.
It will be no. Why? Because you can separate the cereal and the milk when you finish. You can separate both.
Okay, there is no chemical reaction, you mean, right?
Yes, there is no chemical reaction.
No chemical reaction, just mixing. He said
Yes.
mixing, not reacting. Okay. So no, because mixing substance cannot make a new substance. Or no,
Yes.
because the cereal and can be separated from the milk and change it back to what?
C. C.
Surely.
C or D. Maybe both.
He said what?
Mister, maybe both. Right. Both are right. They cannot make a new. They did not make a new substance.
may I
And
say something?
Who is this? Malik?
Mark, yeah.
What's your answer, Malik?
Answer should be D because you have to mix substances to make chemical reaction. Because even if you mix them and combine them, it's the same thing. Because the combination is like I mean, a mixture is a different. If you make a mixture, you have to mix it, and mixtures are actually صح, yeah, it's both, because mixtures are always
خلاص, let time answer. Okay?
yeah, but
He is
I
correct, by the way. He is correct, by
yeah,
the way.
both.
So I'll choose the answer. Excellent, Mr. Time. Thank you. It's a tricky question, but you answered it in a correct way. Thank you. So the answer would be could be both because it's as I said, it's a tricky question. But we will take a no because the cereal can be separated from the milk and they change it back into the same original substance. The same original substance. Thank you, Tank. Question 8. Malik.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Uh,
Where we stop?
did you said question 8?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Uh, Water can change from one state of matter to another. What happens when water changes state? Some matter is lost, some matter is gained. Wait, let me just...
Change the
Oh,
state.
some matter is gained. Matter is both lost and gained. Matter is neither lost nor gained. D.
C or D? Matter neither lost
D.
nor gained. That's conservation, law of conservation of matter. Law of conservation of matter. Matter or mass is conserved. Okay, who next?
Yeah.
Yusuf. Yusuf Mahmoud.
Thank you.
Yusuf Mahmoud. يوسف محمود. 9. طب يوسف أيمن.
Yes.
Please. Question number 9.
Adam used a steel shovel to plant some flowers in his garden. When he finished he stuck the shovel into the damp soil. A few weeks later, Adam took the shovel out of the ground. The surface of the shovel had a reddish color. What happened to the shovel?
What happens to the shovel? What do you think it's made from? What do you think it's made from? It's made from
Rusted.
it gets rusted. It's made from iron, so it gets rust after using it. طب read كده the answer and show the correct answer, please.
Number A.
The shovel rusted in
Letter A.
the soil. The steel changed into aluminum. No. The shovel burned into the hot sun. No.
No.
The steel changed into copper. So
No.
the answer would be rusted in the lumps. Okay. Next question was Yusuf. The other Yusuf is getting out, so he will come back again. Who didn't answer, boys? No one? Again, Anas? Again? Yes, time.
Mister, just close
أنا
chat.
مستر
Look,
أنا
everyone.
I'm
Keep reading
not
chat.
Amale. I'm not looking at the chat. Never mind about it. Close it. Close it.
لا mister I'm closing it.
Okay,
But because
خلاص.
the
Never
messages
mind.
pop up on the
Never
screen.
mind. If you need anything, just open your mic and tell me. Question
طيب
number.
mister can mister no minus the marks like the English teacher did.
I don't want to waste your time. So question number 10 again, Anas.
Oh,
يلا أنس.
okay. During an experiment, students measure the weight of ice and of a liquid water. The students then places the mixture into a freezer for a day. The table shows the dates. What will the students have at the end of the experience? A. 100 grams of ice. B. 125 grams of ice. C. 125 grams of liquid water. D. 150 grams of liquid water.
Right. Look at the table. Water and ice experiment. Weight of the ice is 50 grams. Weight of the liquid water, it is 75. Weight of ice, 50 grams. Weight of liquid water, 75 grams. What's the weight of them after mixing them? You said adding, right? During an experiment, student measure the weight of ice and the liquid water. Then the student, they will do what? Places the mixture into a freezer. The mixture of two of them, which is ice and liquid water, weight after the change, how much the weight would be? Anas,
The weight's gonna be
place them
100,
together. 100? Yes,
125.
yes, 125. Because if you add ice to water, it will not react. Just adding them together, no chemical reaction happens. Just a 50 plus 75. Even if a chemical reaction happens, you still add the mass together because adding the mass neither created nor destroyed, and the mass stayed the same. So adding them, 50 plus 75 equal 120. Thank you, Mr. Asim. Asim. 11 please, Asim.
Yeah,
Yusuf,
I forgot to unmute the mic.
wait, Asim, please. Yusuf, I didn't ask you, Yusuf. Yusuf Mahmoud,
Okay.
please. Welcome back. Yusuf.
James blows up a balloon as a demonstration in class. Which sentence explains what he is trying to show his class? Air has no weight, which will cause the balloon to float.
Is it
Air
correct?
is made of very large particles that are invisible. Air is not made of matter and will have no effect on the balloon. Air is made of particles that are very small and cannot seen.
A. Air has no weight?
No.
No, because air has weight, right? What's the correct answer?
D.
Excellent. That's D. D. Air is made of particles that are very small and can't be seen. Okay. يلا who next? عاصم?
I have a question, mister. I have
Yes,
a question.
please. طيب.
But about the lesson, about the quiz.
Okay. Okay. Ask me
Today's
question.
quiz. When we're going to take it again?
I don't know.
Yeah, mister. How do you don't know? It's your quiz.
Okay, I know it should be today, but I don't think they allow us to make it online. So once we come back to the school, they will schedule it again.
I think tomorrow is gonna be Zoom also.
No,
Yeah,
no,
because like
they will send you a new schedule. So don't worry. Just be ready for the exam anytime.
Mister,
boys?
yesterday I watched the match.
Excellent.
who won?
and
Who
it
won,
finished.
Malik?
Good for you.
Malik, who won?
Congratulations. Congratulations. But
Yeah,
go back to
thank you so much,
Look,
Mister.
mute your
I
mic.
see.
Who won?
It was
Mute
so
your mic,
inspiring.
please.
You went to a stadium, يعني?
Except your
No. Oh,
the one who was answering. Who was this?
Me.
Awesome.
I was answering.
Wait, it's not your turn.
No,
Awesome.
I was supposed to.
يلا عاصم.
A glass is filled half full of water and half full of ice. The mass of the ice and the water is 250 milligrams. Which sentence describes the mass of the ice and the water when the ice melts into the glass? It will be 250 milligrams. It will be a little less than 250 milligrams. It will be twice as much as 250 milligrams. It will be a little more than 250 milligrams. A. Easy.
It will be 250 milligram.
Yeah.
Mister, you're lagging.
Yeah. Can you explain?
it's not that. Not.
Azam, can you explain?
Okay. So if the ice melts, it will be the same mass since the ice is still the same material.
It's not mass. You took milligrams. Yes, it's mass. Sorry. Milligrams is the mass. The mass of the ice cube and the water together, 250 milligrams. So the mass, what happened to the mass? Stay the same after melting or before melting, right?
It stayed the same after melting.
Okay, melting or any phase change or state change, the mass stay the same. It doesn't change its mass. Okay, may the expand or when it evaporates or something like that, but it stay the same mass, stay the same. Okay, who's next? Azam. Azam. Please, Azam.
Mary mixed 100 milliliters of water with 12 milliliters of sugar in a bowl. She left the bowl with the sugar and water mixture outdoors. After a week, she noticed crystals and a small amount of liquid at the bottom of the bowl. Which sentence describes what happened in the bowl? There was one new substance formed There were no new substances formed, or two new substances formed. There were many new substances formed. There were no new substances formed.
Excellent, Mr. Anselm. Excellent. Okay, so you know that no new substances formed. It just only the first two substances. The first two substances that are what? Water and
Crystals and
of
a
sugar.
small amount of liquid.
A small amount of liquid, that's the rest of the water, and the crystals of the sugar. What happened to the rest of the water? It evaporates, right?
It evaporates. Yes.
Omar, Omar.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
They has a mixture of two solids. One is white, solid tiny crystals. Solid tiny crystal. The other one solid is black, solid tiny flakes. He pours water on them. The white solid disappears, and the black solid floats to the top of the water, which two materials dry most likely mixed together. Salt.
Take your time. It's okay.
See?
Read them all, please.
Salt and pepper, milk and iron fillings, white and black sand, sugar and powdered drink mix.
Okay, read the question again.
Ray has a mixture of two solids. One is white.
Two solids, okay?
Yes.
One is
white, solid, tiny crystals.
What do you think it could be?
Mm,
Could be what? I have two ideas about this solid tiny crystal, white solid tiny crystals. Could be what, Ya Omar?
Could be
Mr. Aina.
Mute your mic. Could be what, Omar?
sugar and
Sugar or salt, right?
yes.
Yes, that's in our kitchen. The other solid is black, solid tiny flakes, right?
Right.
What the black solid tiny flakes in the kitchen?
Salt and pepper.
Yes, it's salt and pepper. Thank you.
Okay. Sister, can I go bathroom?
Okay, go without taking permission. You can go. Muhammad Ahmed.
Yes.
15, please.
Mister, I didn't understand number 13.
13. 13. Going back to
Me
13. 13. Okay, 13.
Yes.
We mixing what?
Yeah,
Mary
Mister.
mixes 100, okay, 100 milliliters of water with 12 milliliter of sugar. Whatever, forget about the numbers. In this question, he's not asking about the numbers or the milliliters or whatever. Only two substances that are water and answer me. Water and sugar. Excellent. Water and sugar. They put them together. What do you think? What would happen? She left the bowl in the with the sugar and water mixture outdoors. Outdoors means what? Outdoors means what?
Hot.
Not a rainy in a rainy atmosphere like now. It is in a summer day, for example, summer sunny places. So what would happen? Not rain come inside.
The water will evaporate and
Yes,
the sugar
excellent.
will
Yes,
dissolve.
Yusuf. Yes, water will evaporate. After a week, what will happen to the water? Evaporates. She noticed crystals and a small amount of liquid. So not all the water evaporates. Some of it evaporate and some remains at the bottom. He said a small amount of liquid, water of course, at the bottom of the bowl. Okay, which statement described that happened to the bowl? Okay, is the chemical reaction happens between sugar and water يا عمر
Yes.
yes chemical reaction happens between water and sugar
No.
of course not it's a solution يا عمر right Yusuf it's a
Yes.
solution okay no chemical reaction happens after a while what will happen to the water it as you said it evaporates so is there any new substance
No.
no take the answers one by one there was one new substance formed is there a
No.
new substance no C there were two new substances formed
No.
no there were many new substances formed
No.
no so the answer the only correct answer is what there were no new substance formed because both are existing from the beginning
Mister,
you understand
Mister,
Yes.
yes okay Yusuf.
Mister,
Yes Yusuf.
can you let them stop talking in the chat?
Yeah,
Okay,
mister.
don't look
They're
at the
just saying,
chat.
shut up. They're just saying,
Again, don't
shut
look
up,
at the
stop.
don't look at the chat again. We still have only 1 minute. We have only 1 minute. We have only 1 minute. Okay, I think we can't finish this question. يلا question 15. Ahmed,
Yes.
read and ask. Okay.